Question 1. A piece of rope of length 12 meters is cut into two unequal lengths. The first length is cut into strips of 20 cm each, while the second length is cut into strips of 30 cm each. Given that there are 35 more pieces of 20 cm strips than 30 cm strips altogether, find the total number of strips. So how do we find the number of strips? We are going to remove this extra 35 pieces so that the number of 20 cm strips and the number of 30 cm strips will be the same. So length of rope removed would be 35 times 20 cm, and this gives us 700 cm. So now we need to find the total length of rope after removal. So we know that originally the length of rope is 12 meters. So length of rope after removal would be 12 meters minus 700 cm. So we have to make meters into centimeters. So we have to multiply 12 by 100, and this will give us 1,200 cm. And this will give us 500 cm. So we know that now the number of 20 cm strips and the number of 30 cm strips are the same. So 500 cm represents the number of 30 cm strips multiplied by 20 cm plus 30 cm. So let's write this out. Number of 30 cm strips. Since we removed the extra 20 cm strips, so now number of 20 cm strips is the same as number of 30 cm strips. So this times 20 cm plus 30 cm represents 500 cm. So one pair of 20 cm plus 30 cm gives us 50 cm length in total. So number of pairs would be 500 cm divided by 50 cm. And this gives us 10. So there are 10 pairs and hence 10 30 cm strips. So the question wants to know the total number of strips. And this would be number of 30 cm strips, which is 10, plus number of 20 cm strips, which would be 10 plus 35. And this gives us 55. So this is your final answer.